Hi, this is my final project demo for ESE519. This product is called the Radar Enhanced Laser Turret model with a user interface here, as you can see. So now let me reset it. So this is a radar made by an ultrasonic sensor, and this is a laser turret with a laser diode here, and there are two motors, one down here and one at the top. So now we can see the radar is scanning roughly from 45 degrees to 135 degrees, as we can also see at the bottom, at the horizontal axis. The vertical axis is the distance. Oh, there are glitch. The distance range from 4 to 24 centimeters. Yeah, currently there's nothing, so it should really show nothing except the vertical black bar going back and forth. I'm not sure why. Yeah, sometimes there's just glitch. Okay. Anyway, currently is in the scanning mode, so as shown by the green block on top. So if I just put a target, okay, roughly here, this information should be collected on the screen. Yeah, so we can see, I'm not sure why, but this run, the result is pretty off. It's like 30 centimeters and 82 degrees, which is very off. It should be about 15 centimeters and 90 degrees for this target. But yeah, anyway, currently we have two choices. Either redo it again for the scanning mode as shown by the blinking green block, or enter the firing mode, as the laser turret will use this information, this target information, to fire laser beams, do some calculation, do some transformation of coordinates and fire laser beams. So if we are not satisfied with this result, we push down the joystick and let it run again. Okay. There are still glitch. I'm not particularly sure why. Okay, but this time the result is about correct. Yeah, there's just not as much glitch as the previous run. So this time it's like 10 centimeters, 90 degrees. Yeah, I would say, yeah, it's actually 10 centimeters. Okay. So now let's say we want to go to the firing mode. We just push down this switch here and then press. Okay, there you go. As we can see, this laser diode, I'm not sure why it's doing this glitch, but this laser diode is firing laser beams. I think it hit the target. Yeah, it does hit the target. So yeah, so now we could either choose, we could choose to exit this automatic firing mode and enter the manual control of the laser turret, which is more fun. So now it's in the manual mode, and at this point we could either, we're not yet in the manual mode, we could choose to enter manual mode or redo the scanning again. Let's say we push the joysticks for the do the manual control of the laser turret. So currently we're in the manual mode. There's some problem with the mechanical resonance of this laser turret here. We could also control this motor here, and if we press the joystick, we fire laser beams. And, yep. Yeah, it always does this screech at this particular angle, which is weird. Yeah, but okay. Anyway, yeah, I preset a time period for user to play in the manual mode. So now the time is reached. As we can see on the screen, there's a blinking green block, meaning that we could do the scanning again. So let me just do the scanning. Before the scanning, make sure you flip this switch so that the pin is controlling the crack motor, and press the joystick. Oh, okay. Now it's doing the scan again. So this time, let's say I wanna put it at a different part. Well, let's say maybe here, just to see that it works. Yep, it's showing target information mostly at the smaller degrees. And the result is like about 70 degrees and 14 centimeters. I would say that's not a bad result. So again, we could enter the firing mode. Let's do it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it hits the target. So that's not a bad calculation. So now we could enter the manual mode again, but that's quite long. Let's redo a scan, and I'll put the target at different spots and see how well the automatic mode does. So that's push down and then push this switch up and then press scan. There's nothing on it right now. Let me see where should I put it. Maybe let's put it here. Too far. Yep, it's showing on the screen. Let's see what we got. It says 13 centimeters, 121 degrees. Yeah, that's about right. Yeah, most of the time the result is correct within a certain distance and certain angle. So now let's do the firing mode. Push down the switch, press, fire. Oh, it missed by a little bit. So yeah, it missed by a little bit. So, but it's still pretty good, I would say. And if we just push, that's it again. And now it's in the manual mode. Let's see if we could hit it manually. So just like press. Okay, so now in the manual mode. Oh, okay. I actually reached the. Yeah, I actually reached the limit I set for this motor, just so that it does not hit other parts. But yeah, anyway. So, and that concludes a round. So now I could just put the target at a new place and then start the scanning mode again. And this concludes my presentation. Thank you.